For many of us, one of the things we see most commonly throughout Design Space is advertisements for Cricut Access. But what is Cricut Access? Do you need it? Let me walk you through the answers to those questions so you can decide what is right for you. My name is Ruth. This is Hank's Maker Mentor, where I help you learn how to make. This video contains my opinions and is not sponsored. Some of the links in the description are affiliate links. Now on to the first question. What is Cricut Access? Cricut Access is an optional subscription that is intended to make crafting with your Cricut machine easier. With the subscription, you get unlimited use of a growing library of beautiful fonts, images, and projects in Design Space. In addition, you get exclusive savings when you shop Cricut products on Cricut.com. From time to time, you'll also notice subscriber-only features that help simplify your design process. There's Cricut Access and Cricut Design Space. Cricut Design Space is the free software that you must use with your Cricut. A free account includes over 1,000 images, 15 fonts, a la carte digital purchases, over 250 ready-to-make projects, and 5 collections. Let's talk about the cost. A Cricut.com account to use Design Space is free. An Access subscription can be purchased monthly or annually. These prices do not include tax. If you're paying monthly, you will get Cricut Access Standard for $9.99 a month. If you're paying annually, you can choose the Standard Cricut Access subscription or the Premium subscription. Standard is $95.88 per year and saves you $24 over paying monthly. It balances out to $7.99 per month. A premium subscription is $119.88 per year, which balances out to $9.99 per month. So why pay for the Cricut Access subscription? We are going to break down the benefits they list and reference different sections of Cricut's website. A lot of it will be from the pricing chart. If you want to see the links to the pages I reference, be sure to check out the description of this video. Many, but not all, of the fonts, images, and projects in Design Space are included with Cricut Access. If it is included, you'll see this little A logo. At the time of filming, there are more than 300,000 images, including images made by contributing artists, over 700 fonts, and thousands of ready-to-make projects. At this time, agreements don't allow licensed content to be included in Cricut Access. But with an Access subscription, you will save 10% on licensed images. Shopping on Cricut.com with an Access subscription also saves you money. They recently introduced a $10 coupon with free shipping every 3 months. This applies to materials and accessories, not the machines, heat presses, lights, or digital purchases. But it does stack with the everyday 10% off from Cricut.com that does include machines. If you have a standard Cricut Access subscription, this is up to $50 per item. With a Premium Access subscription, you save up to $100 per item, which is useful if you're buying the Cricut Auto Press or any other item that is over $500. A Premium subscription also provides 20% off all materials and free economy shipping on all orders of $50 or more. Here are some examples of sales that are strictly for Cricut Access members. You can get a pack of machine mats. Instead of paying $50.99, you would be paying $29.99. Some of these are good deals. Cricut Access subscribers are also able to purchase the physical Cricut mystery boxes. Right now, there's quite a few available. They don't come in boxes that look like these, but they do contain materials, tools, accessories, mats. There are many resources around the web to see what's in the mystery boxes before you buy them if you want, or you can wait to be surprised. My favorite part about these mystery boxes is the Cricut cuties that are frequently included. It's the only reason I will buy the Cricut mystery boxes, since I'm not a huge fan of most of the Cricut cutting materials. The subscriber-only features are a little harder to find if you don't know what to look for. This shows the automatic background remover, which is used when you're uploading images. Cricut Access also allows you to make the designs you create with the monogram maker. If you like to organize your projects, collections are for you. They are essentially folders in Design Space. With an Access subscription, you have an unlimited number of collections. There are some designs that are only available to Access subscribers and can't be purchased a la carte, but I had a hard time finding any of them. Access does allow you to shorten the wait by up to 50% when chatting with a human from the member care team. Let's go over some fine print and miscellaneous but important information. Where in the world can you purchase Cricut Access? The short answer is that if you're using a Cricut app, anywhere. If you're in the US, Canada, UK, Germany, France, and Ireland, you can purchase it on Cricut.com, Design Space for desktop, or in the iOS or Android apps. This is the one that's a little bit confusing. Members in Austria, not sure where that includes, and Eurozone can purchase their plan through Design Space for desktop, iOS, and Android apps. This older help article shows these countries. I'm not sure if it's still accurate. Your subscription will automatically renew until you cancel it. You can cancel it at any time. Last time I canceled, I was still able to use all of the Cricut Access benefits until the last day I had paid through. So it doesn't stop instantly, which is really nice if you're trying to make sure you cancel it before you're charged again, but you want to do a few more projects. Because even if you have made projects with Cricut Access content before your subscription ends, you are unable to make them again until you resubscribe or purchase the design or font a la carte. If you're planning on exclusively using the Cricut Joy app, then I would recommend an Access subscription since you are unable to purchase things a la carte and you're limited in what things you can upload. But if you don't want to pay for the subscription, there are a lot of alternatives. My favorites are designbundles.net and creativefabrica.com. They both include commercial license. You can also look into crafty.net, DaFont, Etsy, Designing Yourself, Cricut's weekly free designs, and other craft memberships and email subscriptions. Be sure when you're using designs and fonts from other places that you are paying attention to the licensing rights and compatibility of file type. So is Cricut Access worth it? That depends on how often you create and how much you like the Cricut fonts and designs. With a subscription, it is faster and simpler to create projects since there's no need to upload, and you can find those much faster. There's the monetary discounts at Cricut.com and on licensed images, and if you want to create unlimited collections, it is necessary. If you like finding designs or you don't use the paid designs and fonts and Cricut Design Space often or at all, you probably don't need to purchase the subscription since you can pay for the designs as you need them. Let me know in the comments. Do you have Cricut Access? Do you use it? I hope this video was helpful for you. Please consider clicking the like button and checking out this playlist of Design Space software updates. Thanks for watching Hanks, Maker Mentor. Until next time, bye.